In a late 1960s studio, Bob Moog unveiled a modular synthesizer that transformed how artists sculpted sound. Musicians learned to shape voltages into lush textures and punchy melodies, turning laboratory curiosity into chart-worthy hooks. Across continents, pioneers blended rock, jazz, and avant-garde ideas, expanding what a single instrument could express. The ripple spread through classrooms and clubs, paving the way for sampling, sequencing, and digital production. Today, the legacy sits in every beat, from ambient lullabies to blockbuster hits that began with a simple patch chord.